Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this amazing video. Today I want to introduce a package by me which allows any div or any HTML element to be draggable, and you can have like drag and drop feature but just with just one function. Like you don't have to write drag over, drag on and what those stuffs. It's all handled by the package. So for demonstration, what I'm going to do is this is the text area I have. This is the div. Now I want to drag this text area into this div. So how I'm gonna do it first? So I'll go to my package page. So you can install it using npm, or you could just include this script tag. So I'll just go and just uncomment this line because I already have that script tag. And this is like the simple HTML that I was talking about, the div, and here I want this text area to drag and to be put over there. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to index.html. We don't need this because we are using the CDN. So if you're using CDN, so if you're using npm, you need this line, but if you're using CDN, you don't need this. So what you need to do, you just need to say window.add event listener, and on load I want to call a function, and from this, after this actually, from this package I want to call a function make draggable. Okay, now this function takes option. So the options are key value pair. So first thing you need to do is you only have to give in your HTML. So this is my source because I want to drag this, and this is my target. So this is where I want to like drop this draggable element. So each source and the target needs to have a unique ID. So I will just need to give over here something like source ID. So this is the key, and the ID for my text area is text, and the target ID. The ID for my target is user icon. Yeah, it was just from my previous package test. Yeah, I just reused the code sarcastically. So we have this target ID, we have the source ID, and that's it. We are all good to go. So if I save this and go to the browser back again over here, now I can just drag this and I can put it over here, and that's it. Simple, nothing to worry about. Also, to help it get the exact coordinates or the position of this element, so this text area has become a child of this. So if I open DevTools over here, if I go over here, you'll see that div now has this text area as a child. So if to get the exact position of this div, you could use another event. So whenever you drop that source inside the target, an event is emitted by the package. So you just have to listen to that event. I'm going to say window.add event listener on drop, and here I just have to listen to that event E. So if I go back over here, and on dropped, actually it's a past tense, sorry for that. So on dropped, and here I just have to say console.log e.detail. Now what's going to happen is if I go back again over here, remove this, and now just see in the console over here. So when I start it and then drop it, it gives me some coordinates. So the left and top means this left defines right from here till this first one, like not the first one actually, but the Windows leftmost border till the source leftmost border. So the distance between this is 572 pixel approximately. 51 pixel is from the top, so this one. So this top border till here, not this one but this one, while the left margin relates the parent with respect to the parent margin. So from here till here, this left margin is in percentage. Top margin is from here till here, it's in percentage. So you could save this coordinates, or you could literally save this in your database and have it like those what you see what you get kind of things. It's just way out of it, but the main purpose of this package is to just have that draggable feature to the HTML element and dropped to like in the parent or in the target or wherever you like, with just one function. So that's the crux of it. So that's one thing. And the second thing I want to introduce is my Udemy course. So I have created the complete Vue 3 Udemy course. By the way, this package slightly diverting from the topic, this package can be used in any framework. It's just a vanilla JS package, so it could be used in any framework. Just need to make sure that if you're using Vue, then instead of add event listener load, you need to add on mounted and on something like that. So if it's React, then again, in React, you need to do on event listener load, or you could use effect. It's totally up to you. So it's framework independent. You could use in any framework. And going back to the Udemy course, so I have launched the Udemy course on Vue 3. I'll share the link in the description. It's totally like starting from the basic and going to the advanced level of Vue 3. It's mostly about creating a web app using Vue 3, Firebase, Tailwind CSS, and Google Maps API. So please do check out the course link. I'll put it in the description. And thanks again. If you feel this video is worth sharing, share with your network. If you feel that it's worth liking, hit a thumbs up button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And also, I'll provide the GitHub link of this repo, so feel free to fork it, and please feel free to give a star if you feel this package is worth of a GitHub star. So that's all from me. Till the next time, goodbye.